I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on 3 dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Actions. Pabbly. Give here the webhook link. So visit Pabbly dashboard. Create workflow. Give a name. Create. Search a trigger webhook. Copy the webhook URL. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Pabbly site. And choose Actions. Airtable. Choose Action Event. Create Record. Connect. Add new connection. Give here token. So click on Developer Hub. Create token. Give here a token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token. And paste it here. Save. Map the respective fields. Save. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Airtable site, and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via Pabbly. Thanks for watching.